100 reasons are there to reject DMK and their allies. Now they are doing in the name of Dravidan politics. But Tamil Makkal now understand that DMK stands for dynasty, money and Katta Panchayat. Let me prove it to my dear friends. DMK stands for dynasty. They are doing dynasty politics only. After Karunanidhi, who owned that party? Stalin is owner of that party. Now, he wanted to his son, he will be owner of that party. D stand dynasty. That party do not have any democratical values. They do not have internal democracy also. That party anti-democratical party. And they are doing anti-Dravidan principles. Both party, DMK and Congress, both party have a similarities. Both party have a dynasty politics. Both party do not have a internal democracy. M means money making. When DMK was in power, their ultimate goal only for the making money. When Congress and DMK both party were in power, that time also every day only for the scams. Everyday scams. Tamil Makkal don't forget 2G, 3G, 4G. And K means Katta Panchayat. Tamil Nadu don't want to Katta Panchayat. But DMK main principle, it shows Katta Panchayat only. When they were in power, that time doing land grabbing, Katta Panchayat, money making. This state is not any party ancestor property. This state Tamil Nadu Makkal property. Because that we have released 100 points to reject DMK and allies. Any questions? We'll ask.
So you are mentioning that in this, you mentioned that Kaveri is the main thing which was done by the DMK. You are the minister over there in Karnataka. You stood against Tamil Nadu over there.
You know, when your village and neighbor village kabaddi match is going on, that time you are supporting your own village or other village?
I support my team.
Your team. Always, when our party, nationalistic party, we are doing justice in all states equally, not against one state or in favor of one state. We are giving justice in equally in all states.
So your election manifesto is going to be released by tomorrow.
Yeah, our Gadkari ji, he will release tomorrow that manifesto.
What will be the basis needs of the manifesto debate?
Tomorrow will.
Some indications?
Anything?
Sir, there are 100 reasons to say about the DMK, but BJP has found something in their alliance of AIADMK, because in the 20 constituency, BJP is vibrant, rejuvenated, and the way the leadership, Edapadi Palaniswamy has coordinated, we are able to see the DMDK has left. How do you see that one BJP possibility of winning?
Yeah, EPS and Thiru EPS and our Honorable Prime Minister, they are doing and serving a lot of Tamil Nadu Makkal. That is help to will get the power. We are contesting not only 20, we are contesting all 234. All 234 is our constituencies. Both parties, not only ADMK and BJP, TMC, PMK and John Pandian party, we are all together, we are working hard. We hope our scheme, it has reached everyone. It will help to us. Thiru Palaniswamy also, he is doing good, EPS and OPS. That also helped to us. You know that 2017, when media and political spectators, what they were thinking, its government's only couple of months, couple of days, but they are successfully finished 4 years term and doing good also. This is also help to us.
Sir, in the team state, we are able to see BJP is so vibrant and people are noticing very closely the BJP is positive vibration. But the leadership of Edapadi Palaniswamy is lacking. How do you see that?
Yeah, he is a common leader, acceptable leader, humble background, a very humble man. They want to EPS only. One side arrogant leadership, dictator leadership. Another side, democratic, AIDMK and BJP, both party have a democratic values. We have an internal democracy. One side, anti-democratic, dynasty politics. Other side, we have a democratic values and humble background. Tamil Nadu Makkal, they will, brilliant, they will choose. They don't want to arrogant leadership. They want to humble leadership. They want to their own family growth. But BJP, AIDMK want to Tamil Nadu Makkal develop growth. It will help to our NDA.
Sir, the poll date is nearing. We could not see the top Neta's campaign in Tamil Nadu. BJP's top priority is West Bengal.
No. Our top priority all over the India. Tomorrow Gadkari ji will come continuously. Up to 4th, our all prominent leaders will come to address the gathering Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister also will come to address the gathering in Tamil Nadu, 2 or 3 places.
Do we have any exact date of Prime Minister? Prime Minister campaigning date? Do you have any particular date of Prime Minister? We're hearing he's coming to Pondicherry by 10 years.
Tentative date we have prepared. Once it will confirm, we'll announce.
Because Pondicherry said he's coming for
Yeah,
10 years.
only for tentative dates. Once it will confirm.
Tomorrow BJP manifesto releasing any about the CAA or NEET related manifesto is
NEET, it has helped Tamil Nadu Makkala students also. NEET. CAA, no change, no revival. We will clarify our ADMK, our partners.
what decision we taking, sir? That we will go
Have you
back.
spoken anything?
Already it has taken the decision.
Sir, have you spoken with your alliance party regarding that? Have you spoken with
Yeah, their manifesto.
Yeah,
But
that is the alliance party.
yeah, we have a alliance part.
Don't believing Mark.
We have a alliance. 99% we are common. 1% some differences are there. We will clarify them. no revival, no question of the revival of CA.
Sir, at the time of cyclone in Tamil Nadu, no BJP leaders, no ministers, prime ministers did not come to see the affected people and no relief was given.
Modi ji, central government has sanctioned the money in that time also. We have concern about Tamil Nadu Makkal. Always it shows what PM. He shows. He has given more than 6,10,000 crores various development project. Which party has given in this? Only BJP. Only BJP. Tamil Nadu people have got a benefit. 1,03,000 crores, 1,03,000 crores, various national highway development projects. Recently, metro expansion project also, Modi ji has sanctioned 63,000 crores. Madurai AIIMS, who has given this? Modi ji has given this. Yeah, Modi ji, not a start. We have sanctioned the money, sanctioned the project. 11 medical college, who has sanctioned? Modi ji has sanctioned. 12 smart city, who has sanctioned? Modi ji has sanctioned. 29 Amrut city, who has sanctioned? Modi ji has sanctioned. Defense corridor, who has sanctioned? Many times I told you, when Congress and DMK were in power, they were showcasing only for the Mughal tombs. But our Prime Minister, he is showcasing Mahabalipuram.
இந்த தேர்தல் திமுக தேர்தல் அறிக்கையில முடியாத சாத்தியமற்ற எல்லாத்தையும் ஒன்று சொல்ல முடியுமா? இது முடியாது, அதாவது
நிறைய சொல்ல முடியும். இந்த மீட்டிங் முடிச்சுட்டு வாங்க சொல்றேன். மத்திய அரசாங்கம் செய்ய வேண்டியதெல்லாம் அப்படி செய்யற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காரு. படிக்க
மாண்புமிகு அமைச்சர் வி.கே. சிங் அவர்கள் சொல்லுங்கள்.
We have already given out what are the reasons why the Tamil Nadu Makkal must vote for the alliance led by ADMK, which has BJP as part of that alliance. There are many reasons. And the most important reason is that this alliance is the one which has worked for the people, will work for the people, and will care for the people in the future. That has been the theme, and that is why we have put out 100 reasons why the Makkal should not vote for somebody whose history suggests that things will not be same. People will not be cared for. If you dig out the history, you find rowdyism. You dig out the history, you find katta panchayats. If you dig out the history, you find corruption, and massive corruption, not small corruption. There is land grabbing. I mean, you name a thing. There is insult to women. I mean, list is endless. And that is why it is important that we educate people that these are 100 reasons which should deter you from having anything to do with an alliance of DMK. So, Raviji is already given out as to what all work has been done in terms of central assistance to Tamil Nadu, because DMK and its allies have always said that Tamil Nadu is not been given due attention. So he's listed out so many things by which it is amply clear that Tamil Nadu has been given suitable assistance as a state, and it will continue. It is giving assistance to a state does not imply that central rule is there in state, because that is I find Stalin Navagal saying this that the Delhi will rule Tamil Nadu. Sorry. I think either they are politically naive or, I won't use that word, they are deliberately trying to be misleading the Makkal. I've heard this seen in the paper as a statement from Kanimoyiji also. So, states are getting massive amount of assistance from center. All the states. And some states where things have not happened earlier and where the money is being utilized properly, they are getting more. And that is where Tamil Nadu comes in. Last 2 years, if you take Tamil Nadu's performance, it is number one in so many parameters all over India amongst all the states. That shows that the central assistance is being utilized properly for the benefit of people. And that is what we are trying to put across to you, that it is an alliance led by ADMK, alliance which is of National Democratic Alliance, which will bring prosperity, which will bring peace, and which will bring development to the Makkal in Tamil Nadu.
Being a serial most leader, how do you see the land of Tamil Nadu at this point of time? Because once upon a time, Congress has ruled the state. Then only DMK, AIADMK. Are you able to see a platform for BJP at this point of time? Or
ADMK.
most of time?
See, at the moment we are fighting as a alliance. I'm quite sure that where alliance works well, alliances will continue to work well. And if alliance is for peace, prosperity and development, it will always work well. If there is a deviation from these three things, then obviously things need to be mended.
A kind of a transformation between the Dravidian parties.
Release this media.
Culture, BJP, that kind of party.
See, this myth of Dravidian parties must be given away. There is nothing called Dravidian parties. We are all people parties. Okay? And this myth that has been brought about, Aryas and Aryans and Dravidians, is not so. We are all same. What is the difference?
What is the real Dravidian? God devotees? We are also God devotees. But in the name of Dravidian culture, they are abusing God. They are anti-gods. It shows they are anti-Dravidian. What shows Dravidian culture? Kovalamma? Kovam. It shows Kovam. It shows Tirukular. It shows Kamba Ramayana. Our Prime Minister always praising Dravidian culture. We are real friend.
Please remember, go back in history. Tamil Nadu has been the fountainhead for intellect, for the
Freedom.
way the religion has come up, and I'm talking of Sanatan Dharma, because that is the religion that is prevailing all over India. People give it different names. The revival and renaissance of Sanatan Dharma started from Tamil Nadu. You look at the scientific prowess of Tamil Nadu over history. So this has been the fountainhead of various progress. So where does this mismatch come in? It doesn't come in. Right?
Yes.
Feel proud of Tamil Nadu.
Nandri. Thank you.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் தெரிந்து கொள்ள டோக்கியோ 24/7 சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ண மறந்துடாதீங்க.